Hi, I am Dr. Amjad Mahmood from AIOU-COL Open University, Pakistan. In this video, we will show you how you can add images in a web page and how different pages can be linked together. When you visit a website, you might have noticed that a web page generally does not have only the plain text. Images and other multimedia elements are added to a web page to make it inviting and attractive. Let us see how we can add an image in a web page. So we open our HTML document template. We give it a title that will be displayed on the top of your web browser. So inside the body of the HTML document, we use img tag that is used to add an image. So after img, we write src, which is the source of the image file. So you write src is equal and then name of your image file written in double quotes. Img tag has an attribute which is called alt. This gives basically the alternate text to an image, that if for some reason the browser is unable to display the image, then the text will be displayed instead. You can also specify the height and width of the image using height and width attributes of img tag. Remember that if you do not specify the height and width, then the default values will be used. Now we save our HTML file. Do not forget to give it an extension HTML. Now we can see the output of our HTML code in the browser. We have so far developed a single web page using different tags. But a real website has a large number of web pages which have to be linked together so that the users can navigate from one page to the other in some orderly manner. How these pages are linked together is very interesting in HTML. But before you link the pages together, you have to think very carefully that how the pages should be linked together. You do not really going to link each page with every other page. You decide about it when you plan and design a website. The true power of HTML comes from its ability to allow us link the pages together using what we call the hyperlinks. To create a hyperlink, we use the anchor tag A and specify the page name to which we want to link to. Let me explain it with an example. We have already created a page a while ago. We now create a new page with a link to our first page. Let's once again start with our template to add a few more lines in it and create a link to our first page using the tag A. Then in the body part of the HTML document, we use the anchor tag A. The tag starts with A followed by attribute href equal to, then we specify the name of our web page to which we want to link to this page. Note that the web page name should be written in double quotes. After the href attribute, you can write the text on which a user can click to go to the other page. We will see its effect in the browser as well. Now we can save the file. We open our web page in the browser. Now you can see the link that we created, the text is underlined, which shows that this is a link. When you will click on the link, the other page will open. Now we have successfully linked two pages together by using the anchor tag. Now I can open the page that I just created in the browser. Notice that there is no link in this page to our previous page. If you want to go back to the previous page, you can use the previous or back button of the browser. You can also use an image as an hyperlink to refer to the other documents, just like the plain text we used just before. Let us make a small change in our HTML document, and instead of having the text, I can put an image there. So when the user clicks on the image, the other page will open. In this short video, we saw how to insert images in a web page using IMG tag and how to link the pages together using the anchor tag. I suggest you now to do some practice of it yourself. Watch our next video to see how to create tables in a web page. Thank you.